Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever seen an error like this on your Google TV? In today's video, we're going to show you how to remove your Google account from your Google TV in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, grab your remote and press the home button to go to the main screen. From there, scroll up and select the settings icon. It looks like a little gear. This will take you into the settings menu. Next, in the settings menu, scroll down and select Accounts and Sign In. This is where you'll see all the accounts linked to your Google TV. Once you're in the Accounts section, you'll see a list of Google accounts connected to your Google TV. Find the account you want to remove. Then click on it. Now, once you're on the account details page, scroll down and select Remove Account. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to remove the account. Confirm by selecting Yes or Remove. And just like that, your Google account is removed from Google TV. After the process is complete, your Google account will no longer be linked to your Google TV. If you want to add a new account, just follow the same steps and select Add Account. And that's it. Your Google account has been successfully removed from your Google TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to a King Sharing channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.